Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We're going to put cement in the holes today. It's been a while since I started this project and firewood took precedence. And I've got to straighten up and make sure that the base, that the legs are even, and get the cement in, and then I can start building the top, finally. Sorry, it was really tight working area. We got one hole done. And we've got that measured up. We've got everything pretty much ready. Now we just have to fill the holes. And then I can start construction. Now, somebody suggested that this is too close to the fence, which is correct. I'm going to move the fence outwards from there and probably replace this with solid wood for better security and safety. But for now, this is what it is. Anyway, if somebody tries to put a ladder up, there's going to be sensors on the side of this to trigger an alarm if anybody puts anything up against it. Also, another reason somebody asked me, I'm answering questions now, somebody asked me why I did come out this far and not back in further. Well, this is going to have solar power on top, and so the farther out I go, the less I've got to trim of the trees over here to allow the sun to reach the solar panels for more of the day. I don't want to have to cut anything really much. So that's the reason. Well, they're done. Now I'm going to start working on the top. I brought over a pallet for a floor over here. I'm going to put this down. We'll have a bit of a garage here, so to say. I was wondering if that would fit. That's not gonna fit. I am gonna have to trim it because this is 48 outside to outside. Okay. I thought I might have a problem there. I do definitely want a pallet floor of some sort. Yeah, I'll have to trim that and cut that off, knock off the boards, put it in, and I'll have a pallet floor. We'll do that another time. That's not urgent, but it'd be nice to have a place to store things for my orchard right by the orchard. So I'm putting together one wall. This is the front wall. This is going to be 8 foot tall. And then the back wall will be 6. That'll give me a slope for snow runoff. Now I'm making this lightweight. It's just going to be a 4x4 hunting shack, so I'm not going heavy duty, which is rare for me, right? I always overbuild. I wish I had a better place with uneven or with even ground to build on. My left knee still won't bend, by the way. I'm only going around with one screw per corner so I can get them started because it's on uneven ground. That's what I got. And then I can square it up when I put it together. Now I'll go ahead and put the last 4 in. And then I'm going to have to stand this up and figure out where my windows are going to be. So that'll be the next step. I'm going to frame everything in on the ground for this wall. Remember, this is multi-purpose, hunting, watchtower, fort for Michelle, everything. When she's bigger. We aren't going to let her run up and down ladders right now. So, now I need to stand this up and figure out where my windows are going to be. I got to get myself a chair and then we'll figure that out. I'm going to go with a 1 foot wide opening from 5 foot to 6 foot so I can look out comfortably, and for sitting I'll have a raised bench for sitting on and shooting from. That's the plan. That way I can sit or stand in here with comfort. I was thinking if I put the windows down low, then it's going to be awkward to stand up in there and look out the window, and I won't have the height off the ground that I want. I really want it, the cameras and all the electronics up high. Everything's going to be up way up high. And I'd lose that height advantage if I put the slats at 4 feet. Now, to weatherproof this, that window is going to be able to be closed as needed. Okay, there's one wall. Now I may put more cross bracing on later with for the siding, which will be that, but tighter pattern, much tighter. And to weatherproof it, I might put tar paper on the outside first. Now I sort of have a flat surface to work on. I laid it on the other wall. Give me a somewhat straight edge to work with here. And these boards, rough cut. They're not all the same size and thickness, I mean. A lot of variation in thickness. but they'll do what I need them to do. So that's give me quite a slope on a 4-foot shed for the roof, which is good. Steep slope. So I won't have to worry at all about the snow load. Might even put a little rainwater catch tank underneath for summer use. That'd be awesome to have water supply for the orchard right there. So the next step, I'll cut the cross pieces, and then we'll take this over and put it up and fasten the walls together.